All right, here's the last video for tonight. It's about converting mixed numbers to fractions greater than 1 and vice versa. Here is just how to do it. So I'm not going to get too much into why it works or that, but this is just kind of how to do it. If you have a mixed number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the whole number and multiply it. I'm going to multiply it by 11. And then after that, I'm going to add the 3 to it. So what that looks like, I'm wondering how many 11ths is this total. So I know my denominator is going to stay 11. But how many 11ths? Well, this 5 represents 55 11ths because that makes 5 wholes, 55 11ths, plus these 3. So 55 11ths, that's the 5 wholes, plus the 3 11ths is 58 11ths. All right, how that looks here is, well, I take the wholes, and I'm asking myself how many 20ths is this? Well, these 3 wholes, that's 3 times 20, gets me 60, right? 60 20ths is 3 wholes, plus the extra 1, plus the extra 1 20th is 61 20ths. So that's converting mixed numbers to fractions greater than 1. Going the other way is a little bit more tricky for me, but it's not too bad. You just do a little bit of division. I'm wondering how many, if 1 whole is 4/4, I'm wondering how many 4/4 are in here. How many fourths are there in 49? So that's a division problem. I'm asking how many fourths are there in 49. Phone's ringing. All right. So that is 4 goes into 4 once with 0. That's 4 goes into 4 once, and that's 4. Bring down the 0. Bring down the 9. My brain is not working right now. How many times does 4 go into 9? Twice. And 2 times 4 is 8. So there's 12 4s. Right, so I can make 12 whole 4s. 12 times 4 is 48. So I could have 12 wholes. There's 12 whole 4s with 1 remaining. Now this 1 remaining becomes your fraction part, that there's 1/4 remaining, that there's 1/4 that's left over. Same thing here. So I'm asking how many hundreds are there in 603? So how many hundreds are there in 603? Well, there's 6 100s in 603. So 6 100s is 600. And there's going to be 3 left over, so there are 6 wholes. And this remainder becomes your fraction piece, that there's 3, and your denominator is going to be here. So all your parts to your fraction are right here. Right, so this is your denominator. All right, this becomes your numerator. And this is how many wholes. This is your whole number. All right, same thing here. This was the whole number for the last problem, or sorry, that was the denominator. So 12 is 12 wholes, 1 is the numerator, and 4 is the denominator. So here we have a denominator of 100. So there you go. So try some of those problems out. It's definitely an important skill to have mastered.